So again, I would say for the last 10 or 15 years, there's been a major prioritization of climate policy, and there's good reasons for that. But some of the policy has directed that a lot of World Bank financing, IMF financing, whatever kind of financial help to major projects to industrialization in developing nations is constrained to, for example, renewable or very low carbon electricity systems. That basically means that there's available financing to go towards solar or maybe wind, but not any really to go towards coal or natural gas. And of course, in the developed world, 80% of our energy use is fossil fuels. And that's been the pillar by which to industrialize and to move kind of from a developing to a middle class status. And so taking that option away, I think has caused some harm. Has removed options from, again, the people who are the most vulnerable and need the most options, the most help to do what it is that they need to do to improve the quality of their own lives.